Hi, my name is Michael, and welcome to another edition of CHS News. Up first, congratulations to the General Charles Harker 2019 Teacher of the Year. Miss Bayrod is a third grade teacher. Let's join Bianca and Miss Bayrod.
Hi, my name is Bianca. I would like to introduce you to Harker's 2019 Teacher of the Year, Miss Bayrod. Miss Bayrod, how long have you been teaching for?
So I've been teaching for 13 years. I taught kindergarten for 7 years before I had my girls, and I took some time off to stay home and wait until they were in school full time, and then came back to teaching to Swedesboro Woolwich.
Okay. What is your favorite part about teaching?
My favorite part of teaching is getting to work with students like you every day. And I think my favorite part is when students have that aha moment where they finally grasp a concept or understand something that we've been doing in class, and they really can take it to the next level.
What is challenging for you?
Challenging? Well, like with everything, there are always challenges. So I would say my greatest challenge would be trying to squeeze everything in a given day. There's never enough time to get it all done.
And how will you be celebrating for being Teacher of the Year?
So I already celebrated with my girls, my daughters, and my husband. We went out to dinner the day that I found out that I got Teacher of the Year, which was very nice. But my third grade teacher friends are planning to take me out to dinner as well this week too.
And well-deserved, Miss Bayrod. My name's Bianca. Back to the studios.
Thank you, Bianca. We are so happy for Miss Bayrod on a job well done. If you notice a horrible smell in the hallways, no need to worry because Miss Dominic's class was busy with a fun science experiment. They were dissected an octopus. Let's go on location with more information. Video.
Hi, I'm Lily Anderson, and today we are dissecting squids in Miss Dominic's class. Now, Ethan, what are we doing first?
We are looking at the external features first.
Hi, I'm here with Julia.
So now we're going to cut open the membrane and see the bulb.
So Shyla has the scissors.
The bulb is like the beak.
The buccal bulb.
The buccal bulb is this thing right here.
Oh no!
And this is the beak.
We're getting down.
I can push it out.
Thank you, Julia and Ethan. Science is great. Well, at least that's what I think. Back to the studios.
Great job, Miss Dominic's class. Next, Miss Calori and Miss Minity's 5th grade class have been busy collecting Valentine's Day cards for the children at CHOP. What a great way to spread Valentine's joy. Our school does some amazing projects to make many people smile. Congratulations to Miss Joanna Gares for being nominated as the 2019 Education Support Person of the Year. Let's join Alyssa and Miss Gares in the office to hear what they have to say.
Hi, I'm Alyssa, and I'm here with Mrs. Gares. She is the ESP for Harker 2019 school year. We have a couple questions for you, Mrs. Gares. Question number 1, how many years have you been working in this district?
I started on August 2nd, 2004.
Cool. Question number 2. What do you like the best about your job?
Well, I like greeting new students who are coming into our district, and I love to watch it when the teachers send down a couple buddies for that new student who's really nervous and scared, and they come down and they shadow them for the whole day, take them under their wing, and help them out. And then a couple days later, I'll see those students in the hallway, and they're smiling, and they're happy, and they've made friends. So that's really a nice part of my job.
Cool. Question number 3. What is the most challenging part of your job?
The most challenging part of my job is walkie-talkies and copy machines. Need I say more?
What a wonderful accomplishment, and congratulations. I'm Alyssa. Back to the studio.
As many of you are aware, it is Black History Month. Many of the classes have worked on a variety of projects. For one, Mrs. Schultz's class has been working on a project that honors many contributions of African Americans of our society. Let's go to Mrs. Schultz's class to see this fantastic project.
My name is Janice, and I'm here with Laurent from Miss Dominic and Miss Schultz's class. This is our Black History timeline created by both Mrs. Schultz and Mrs. Dominic's classes for Black History Month. We would work with Mrs. Schultz during social studies to research important people, events, and dates spanning the past decades.
We've been researching through 1619 and to the most current dates. We are excited to display this so that the students have an opportunity to see some ways life has changed for African Americans over time.
This was really fun and interesting. Back to the studio.
What a fantastic project. I'm Michael, and I hope you enjoyed this edition of CHS News. Have a great day.